Hey, hi friends, welcome to Recreation Technologies. Today we are going to discuss about how to use the alert message inside the Java. So we usually use those alert messages in our day-to-day life, but I'm going to explain you how to use the alert message inside the JavaScript. So here you can see I'm just using this sample.html. Okay, so inside the script tag, I'm going to use this window dot alert. Okay, and here I'm just going to pass in any of the message like this is my sample page. Okay, and if i if I reload the page, then here you can see that alert pop up like this is my sample page, and click OK. Then automatically it will close that pop up. So now here you can see this window. This is the like global object, so no need to use this object also. Like if you can remove that window global object and use the directly alert, then also it will show that alert pop-up. So I already removed that window object, and if I reload that page, then here you can see the same message it showed, like this is my sample page. Okay, so window is the global object, no need to include it in your code. So automatically it will take that window object. So this is how you can use the alert message, and this alert message is provided by the JavaScript. And you and one more thing is like you cannot modify this alert message, and it usually takes only one parameter. Now here you can see it only takes only the one parameter, and you cannot modify this alert pop-up which is present inside the JavaScript. But let's say if you want to use some other kind of alert or pop-up, then you need to like create from your own, like by using those div tags and everything. You can add some of the buttons and everything. You can do that, but literally you cannot modify this alert pop-up. So this is all about our today's video, in which I had explained you like how to create those alert messages and display those pop-ups. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to our channel.